News that's coming in from the state of West Bengal now. Parents of the RG car victim, they have now gone ahead and filed a complaint against Kolkata police for allegedly being attacked by the police. An investigation is now being launched in this case. It has been a year since the horrific rape and murder case in Kolkata happened. Now the father of the RG car victim, he's lodged a written complaint with the Kolkata police against the policemen for allegedly attacking his wife while they were protesting on the 9th of August. Victim's father has mailed this letter of complaint to the Kolkata Police Commissioner along with all the other higher officials, requesting them to file an FIR based on his written complaint. We are now seeing this written complaint being filed by Abhaya's parents. They in fact were also marching on the 9th of August. The victim's father is now mailed an email to the Kolkata Police Commissioner. Listen in.
जिस तरह भैया की मां को भी चोट लगा था, क्या कहेंगे?
पुलिस के खिलाफ एक्शन होना चाहिए। जानबूझ के वो जो डॉक्टर सिस्टर है उनका पिताजी माताजी को वो मेन विटनेस है, उसको खत्म करने के लिए किया। ममता का इशारा से विनीत गोयल और मनोज वर्मा ने किया, विटनेस खत्म करने की कोशिश।
जो एफआईआर किया गया उसके ऊपर क्या कहेंगे? जो
एफआईआर तो होना चाहिए, एफआईआर में काम नहीं होगा तो पुलिस एक्शन मामला होना चाहिए।
कल से देखा जा रहा है कि रानीगंज में जो अभियान में जो शामिल हुए उनको पकड़ा जा रहा है। रानीगंज से कई लोगों को पकड़ा गया है, कल भी पकड़ा गया था नवान्न में
वो पूरा फेक एफआईआर है। हम लोग लीगल बैटल करके उसको छुड़ा लें।
आज पुलिस का परिवार भी देखा गया है कि विक्षोभ में शामिल हुए हैं, क्या कहेंगे?
कोई विक्षोभ नहीं हुआ, उसको विक्षोभ खत्म हो गया। उसको बोलिए बोलपुर जाकर विक्षोभ करने के लिए अनुब्रत का साथ।
My colleague Rajesh Saha is now joining me on the story. Rajesh, this is very disturbing and unfortunate news coming from the city of Kolkata. The parents have now written to the Kolkata Police Commissioner with regards to the alleged assault that took place while they were protesting on the 9th of August.
Absolutely. When the parents of Arjikar victim were protesting during the Navan Navi and on last 9th of August, we have seen that the mother of the victim, mother of the deceased victim, claimed that she was brutally assaulted. She was beaten up by the cops, on the cops while she was protesting. That was a claim made by the parents of Arjikar victim. And following which she was hospitalized, she was taken to a private hospital in Kolkata and she was treated. And she was not hospitalized, she was not admitted, rather she was under observation of doctor for 24 hours. And then she got released from the observation from the particular private hospital on the very next day. But she claimed that she was brutally attacked by the on-duty police personnel in Kolkata while she was protesting. And she claimed that she will file a complaint against the police, Kolkata police. And we have seen yesterday the parent of the victim has already filed a written complaint before the Kolkata police against the cops of Kolkata police. And in the written complaint letter, they have claimed that they were attacked by the on-duty cops while showing protest against the government for this Arjikar incident. And following which the parent of the Arjikar victim have appealed to Kolkata police to file an FIR based on the written complaint. As for the sources in Kolkata police, we are getting information that a general diary has been registered based on their written complaint so far. An FIR will be registered later after the inquiry is being conducted right now on this matter.
Thank you, Rajesh, giving us all those details. A complaint has now been given by Abhaya's parents. Investigation is now taking place. The police says that FIR will be filed later.